Can you think the stock of Tesla is set to explode? Although some analysts disagree, the majority of Tesla devotees think that this is definitely a possibility. With so many unique projects from the organization that look good, you would surely not want to miss this information. Tesla supporters are certain that the stock will soar, but it's hard to predict the future of equities. You'll learn today why the Tesla stock is about to soar. In 2020, headlines such as Tesla stock price goes ballistic broke the internet once more in 2021. Headlines that essentially said Tesla shares have gone ballistic. And now, in 2022, people are once again talking about Tesla stock about to go ballistic, despite the fact that Tesla stock has had a difficult year, sliding about 16 years to date. The stock's year-to-date return would have been, according to a Tesla enthusiast. There are three major reasons why Tesla stock may be about to go on a massive run to replace Apple as the world's most valuable company, of course. This might seem like too much of a stretch for some, but many Tesla fans believe that the leading EV company will be able to do just that. The first reason is that Tesla has been poised for greatness, so to speak, with all the preparations on different aspects of the company in the last several years, one of which is the recently opened Austin and Berlin gigafactories aimed to aid the production of the Shanghai plant, especially since the said factory has limited production numbers due to several restrictions because of the zero-COVID policy imposed by the government. Also, not a small feat is the several products Tesla has been preparing to launch in the last several years, including the 4680 batteries, the semi and cyber truck, which has had an endless number of orders reservations. Since last year, many believe that the next quarter's earnings result will show a significant improvement, which will make everyone happy except, of course, those who wish the company will not do well, although there have been issues in the production of the 4680 cells, given that they are a brand new form factor that simply didn't exist until Tesla invented them. They are now scaling production with the aid of the dedicated production line in Austin. Moreover, Tesla's perspective is not to rely only on its 4680 production cell partner Panasonic's at the first 4680 sample cells to Tesla and started its own pilot production in Japan in May last week. It became known that the battery factory for series production will probably be built in Kansas. Samsung's STI is building its 4680 pilot line in Chinon, with series production reportedly to take place later in Malaysia. In terms of production, the Fremont plant is geared to make a run rate of 700,000 cars per year, despite the seemingly awkward layout and the relatively small factory size. The Shanghai factory's new upgrades and the upcoming extension should be good for 1.2 million cars per year, making it one of the biggest car factories in the world. Berlin and Austin each have the capacity to run at about 500,000 cars per year. Once they have properly settled in all aspects business-wise, once established, they can add up to a production level of 2.9 million cars per year. Another reason is Tesla CEO Elon Musk's Twitter venture seems to be coming to an end. Whatever the end may be, it can be noted that when this news first broke, many were concerned that Musk was losing, or at least going to lose focus on Tesla. Now that it looks like it will come to a conclusion soon, investors collectively sigh and relief. Finally, the last reason for a bullish stance on Tesla stems from the fact that Tesla's competitors are far behind in the race. There are no Tesla competitors, according to car manufacturing specialist Sandy Monroe, since no other business has achieved volume manufacturing of battery electric vehicles besides Tesla. Other experts seem to agree that Tesla continues to be unchallenged. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons for more of this content. Despite an influx of funding and the entry of an EV startup, Tesla keeps the lead. The only real rival to Tesla would be BID, but the Tesla economist asserts that Tesla is the only profitable EV manufacturer. Some claim that Tesla is far ahead of everyone else, that everyone else so far behind. Everyone believed that what Tesla was accomplishing could be duplicated and repeated. Tesla, though, has made significant progress and has a lengthy waiting list for all of its vehicles. Other EV manufacturers are still locked 5 to 10 years behind the 4680 model from Giga Texas, even before that. Due to its vertical integration, experts assert that Tesla has no rivals. Very good financials, industry-leading in-car software, a cutting-edge production facility, and no dealership model. Even though only 2% of the world's car fleet is electric today, they continued by saying that no other firms are producing and selling electric automobiles in a similar manner as Tesla. When asked what she felt about big businesses competing with Tesla and the production of electric vehicles, she predicted that this number will greatly rise in the future. They are failing horribly, according to CEO of ARK Investment and investor Kathy Woodstar. She claims that because they are failing to account for the cost curve for consumer devices, which Tesla chose to run down, they are failing to advance battery technology. She pointed out that the same cell phone batteries frequently explode and that Tesla was once made fun of for placing them at the bottom of the vehicle. Tesla employs a lithium-ion pouch, which is significantly more expensive than Tesla's consumer electronics batteries, according to Wood. Therefore, if businesses choose to take on Tesla, they will have to sell every electric vehicle at a loss, while also giving up their internal combustion engine. Business according to Wood, the fact that Tesla's rivals are still in their infancy is the fundamental reason why the company is so far ahead of them. She claimed that the vehicles they have so far supplied don't even come close to the range or other specifications of the Model S from Tesla. Similar sums of money to those that Tesla invests in R&D and factories are required by other manufacturers for their EV battery R&D projects. It's because an EV and a gasoline-powered car have identical exteriors but quite different interiors. For the electric motor battery, powertrain control computer, and many other components, EVs need new R&D and manufacture. More experienced than any other automaker, Tesla has been creating and enhancing its cars for more than a decade. In actuality, EV startups like Lucid and Rivian failed to imitate Tesla's business strategy. When compared to other companies, Rivian and Lucid's negative gross margins are astoundingly high for a corporation that claims Tesla is in excellent financial condition. According to Kathy Wood, Tesla also has the following 3 advantages. They have their own artificial intelligence chip and batteries first. Wood claimed that when their analyst James Wine, who spent 8 years working at NVIDIA and another artificial intelligence business, examined the specifications of Tesla's semiconductor, he was astounded. According to Wine, Tesla has chip technology specifications 4 years ahead of every other automaker. This is crucial if electric vehicles are to become autonomous, as Tesla intends. Going autonomously is directly related to AI initiatives, and the winner will have the most data of the best possible quality. Tesla currently has 14 billion miles of real-world driving data, compared to Waymo's 20 million miles. The final advantage Tesla has over competing businesses is that it is the only automaker still offering over-the-air software updates to change performance. While many people think Tesla will not be able to compete with the large, well-established automakers, others are optimistic that the company could be worth trillions of dollars by the end of the decade. Elon stated that Tesla's objective is to hasten the automotive industry's shift to electric automobiles in 2013. He explained that our objective is to promote electric automobiles rather than simply grow our brand or outperform the Honda Civic. Musk stated that until the industry is entirely electric, they would just keep producing more and more electric vehicles while lowering the price point. Visit our channel and check out our other videos for more information on Tesla stock.